Hi guys, my name is Apoorv and I'll be doing the signed and some questions today, and I've put the question in the description box. Okay, so the given equation in the question is y double dash plus 25y is equals to 24 sine t with the initial conditions given as y is 0, y equals to 1 at t equals to 0, and y dash also equals to 1 at t equals to 0. Now transient motion of a mass spring system is given by y equals to ys plus yp, where ys is in steady state and yp is in particular state. Okay, and so in steady state the in general for the general solution RHS is considered to be 0. So therefore in the equation y double dash s plus 25y is equals to 0. Now general equation for steady state is given as ys is equals to a cos omega t plus b sin omega t. Okay, now differentiating it, once we get y dash s is equals to minus omega a sin omega t minus b cos omega t. Now y double dash that is double derivative of y s will be minus omega square a cos omega t plus b sin omega t. Now we can see this term is equal to y, so therefore y double dash s is equals to minus omega square y. So y double dash s plus omega square y equals to 0. Now comparing this and this equation, we get that omega square equals to 25, that is omega is equals to plus minus 5. Now since sine theta is unequal to sine of minus theta, therefore omega will not be negative, so the value of omega will be 5. Now putting it in the equation, we get ys is equals to a cos 5t plus b sin 5t. I'll put it as the second equation. This is not the final solution since we have not considered the RHS in the main equation. So now for the particular solution we'll find the particular solution now. So writing the equation y double dash p plus 25 yp is equals to 24 sin t. Okay, now doing this. Okay, so now the general solution for yp is given as c cos t plus d sine t. Now differentiating it, we get y dash p is equals to minus c sine t plus d cos t. Now again differentiating it, we get that minus sign gets in common, c cos t plus d sine t. Now we can see that this is also yp, so putting the value y double dash p is equals to minus yp. Now putting this in the above equation, we get minus yp plus 25 yp is equals to 24 sine t. Okay, so now we get that yp is equals to sine t. This is the third equation. Okay, so now since in the beginning we established that y is equals to ys plus yp according to the first equation, so putting the values from the second and third equation, we get that y is equals to a cos phi t plus b sin 5t plus sin t. Okay, now we'll use the initial conditions to get the values. Now initially it is mentioned that y at t equals to 0 is 1, so putting the value of y and t, we get that 1 is equals to a cos 0 plus b sin 0 plus sin 0. Now 1, now we know cos 0 is equals to 1, so a plus sin 0 0 plus 0, so therefore the value of a is 1. Now y dash will be minus a sin phi t plus b cos phi t plus cos t. Okay, now putting the initial value that y dash is equal to 1 at t equals to 0, we get that 1 is equals to sin 0 is 0, we'll minus a into sin 0 plus b into cos 0 plus cos 0. Now 1 is equal to sin 0 is 0 plus b into 1, since cos 0 is 1, plus 1. Now this gets cancelled, therefore b is 0. So the final equation will be, final solution will be y is equal to, putting the values of a and b, we get y is equals to cos phi t plus sin t. Now to plot the graph of this, I used a software online which gives me the following graph.